Welcome to our weekly broadcast on payments. Today we are going to talk about ACH, which is Automatic Clearinghouse. Well, the ACH transfers are electronic bank-to-bank money transfer processed through the Automatic Clearinghouse network. The association's responsibility of transfer. The ACH network is a batch processing system that banks and other financial institutions use to aggregate those transactions for processing. While ACH transfers mainly are bank-to-bank transfer processed through Automatic Clearinghouse, direct deposit are transferred into the account, such as payroll, benefits, and tax refund deposits. Direct payment involves money going out of the account, including bill payment or when you send money to someone else. ACH transfers are convenient, quick, and often free. You may be limited to the number of ACH transactions that you can initiate, or you may incur extra fees, and there may be delay in sending or receiving funds. Well, let's go and understand what the ACH transfer is. You might be using ACH transfer, but you might not be realizing it. Getting your pay through direct deposit or paying your bills online through your bank account are just two examples of ACH transfer. You can also do ACH transfers to make single or recurring deposit into the individual retirement account or taxable brokerage account or a college saving account. Business owner can also use ACH to pay vendor or receive payments from clients and customers. There are multiple types of ACH transfer that can be made. The first one is ACH direct deposit. An ACH direct deposit is a kind of electronic transfer made from one business or government entity to a consumer. The kinds of payment that fit in this category include direct deposit of paychecks, employee reimbursed expenses, government benefits, tax refunds, annuity payments, interest payments. Another type of ACH transaction is direct payment. Direct payment can be used by individual, businesses, and other organizations to send money. For example, if you're paying bill online with your bank account, that's an ACH payment. Social payment apps such as Venmo, and Zelle also use the network when you send money to friends or family. There are multiple benefits of sending the ACH transfers. Using ACH transfers to pay bills, to make person-to-person payment offers several advantages, starting with convenience. Paying your mortgage, utility bills, or another recurring monthly expenses using an electronic ACH payment may be easier and less time consuming than writing and mailing a check. Not to mention, you can save yourself a few bucks by not having to spend money on stamps. Or ACH payment can be more secure than other forms of payment. Sending and receiving ACH payment is usually quick. The settlement of ACH transactions or the transfer of funds from one bank to another via ACH network generally happens the next day after it is initiated. Another benefit of ACH transfer is these transactions are often free, depending on whether your bank and the types of transfer involved. For example, your bank may charge you nothing to move money from your checking account to another account, or it may charge a minimal fee, or it may be free of cost, or it would be very minimal fee. ACH transfer are much more cost efficient when compared to wire transfer. Which can range from $25 to $75 for international outbound transfers. There could be multiple downsides also for the ACH payment, like every kind of type of payment has ups and downs. Same way, ACH can also have multiple limitations. Many banks may impose limit as to how many transactions you can make, or there can be some transaction limits on your account. It could be monthly limit, per transaction limit, weekly limit. There might be one limit for bill payment and another for transfer to the funds. So bank may impose certain limits on your ACH transactions. There could be a penalty for sending or transferring money from saving to other accounts. Timing of the ACH matters. There could be certain times when only the transactions can be made. When you choose to send an ACH transfer, the time frame matters. That's because not every bank sends them for bank processing at the same time, there may be cutoff time by which you need to get your transfer in to have it processed for the next business day. There could be, so these are some of the benefits or some of the downsides of ACH transaction. Same day ACH processing is growing in order to solve the slow service of the standard system. Same day ACH volume has risen by 73.9% in 2021 from 2020, with a total of 6.3 million payments made. Initiating a ACH transfer after the cutoff could result in a delay, which may be an issue if you're going to try hit a due date for one of your bills to avoid late fee. It takes an average of 1 to 3 business days to complete and is considered slow in era of fintech and instant payment. When you choose to send money through an ACH transfer, the time frame matters, as we discussed earlier. That's because not every bank sends them for the bank processing at the same time, but there could be the cutoff that you want to follow. So these are some of the ups and downs of the ACH transfers. So with this, we are going to close today's broadcast. Please join next week. We're gonna pick up another topic for the payments, and we're gonna talk about it. Thank you so much.